Hello everyone, this is Manipulator, today with another Spanish padlock that says Máxima Seguridad, maximum security, and it's branded Porte, whatever that is supposed to mean. It doesn't mean anything to me, and from the way it looks and feels, I would reckon that's actually a Chinese brand lock, but let's see what it takes to get inside this. First of all, let's see if I have a tension tool that works. This one doesn't. The tensioning tip is way too long. This one has a short tension tip. And that seems to be grabbing much better. Okay, let's see what we can do to open this. Once past the tension tool, seems to have 3 pins. And you don't really need a tension tool. You just put your pick in the wrong way around and turn the core. That's it from me today. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next one. Manipulator says bye bye.